Here we are visiting San Marino, and we'll take you through their beautiful stamps, some of the nice old ones, and they're in sets of threes. First to handle the sports that they enjoy, the food that they raise, and the birds of the area. So let's first take you to the sports. Okay, here we have L1. L2, 1950, and L3, 1960. Oh, they were 1960s. They were 6 and not 5s. 1960s. All right. Then we get down to the next set, and that was 1, 2, and 3. Here's 3, the grapes. 2, the corn. And 1, the wheat. Aren't they nice? Look how on that one wheat there you can see like the shadow of it. The little hairs. Cool. Okay, and these are some of their birds. There's the one. We go low. Okay, that's a different kind of bird. This one here. Reminds me of some wallpapers. The old-time wallpapers here. That's what this one reminds me of. And this is a 2. I don't know if it's the flowers in the background that does it, but it just reminds me of wallpaper. Old wallpaper. And then this is 3. Alright, so these are all 1s, 2s, and 3s. Alright. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing them to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more whatever we find. Alrighty? Bye-bye now.